Hello and welcome, John Croner with Bullseye Trader. I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for Thursday, February the 28th, 2019. And with the month ending, we're going to go ahead and take a quick look at the intraday, the daily, and monthly candles. So if we start out with the Qs, you can see here a lot of volatility throughout today. For the monthly ones, we use our Thinkorswim platform because I can show you the 15-minute candles here. I can show you the daily candles on this chart for the month of February, and I can show you the monthly candle here. So once again, looking at the daily candles, we can see we had a lot of chop to the day. If we look at the candles all month long, basically it's pretty much straight up. We had a little bit of consolidation here. We're having some consolidation here. So it was a down day today if you look at where we closed yesterday, where we closed today. But all in all, we're still holding these critical zones. We're consolidating, so looking good there. And a lot of people use the crossing of the 50 RSI, and then if you trade above there, it triggers, and you can see we did that. So on the monthly candle, we did have a trigger. We now have 2 months up in a row looking at the diamonds. Now let's go ahead and move on to the on the Qs that was. Now on the diamonds, we'll take a quick look here, and you can see they were pretty much a choppy day as well. If we look at the daily candle on the diamonds, you can see we had that same little bit of a consolidation here, a little bit of a consolidation here. Everybody's talking about that V bottom, so hopefully with all this consolidating here as we get to the top, hopefully we're not running out of steam. We're just mustering to break through, but we are at key levels. We are holding resistance so far, but looking good. And looking at the monthly candle, the same thing. We crossed that RSI, last month, and we broke through it this month. So technically, that's a trigger, which a lot of people would think you have, several months of upside coming. So let's follow these markets and see what happens as the next several months go by. Now we're going to go ahead and take a quick look at our spiders and see how they are doing today and this month. And once again, we can see we had a lot of volatility throughout the day. That's some pretty good, swing for a day. If we look at the daily, you can see here we had a lot of gaps. So a lot of gaps possibly to fill on the way down, but yet we consolidated here, we consolidated here. We are down for the day, but still holding some key levels, so looking good. We have the same RSI and cross here, and the same trigger. We are looking pretty good from the monthly perspective. We have a nice slope on the 20, so things could get interesting here with everything going on with political field, etc., etc. Now, with that said, let's go ahead and take a quick look at Holly. And for today, Holly Grill had 3 trades, lost 15 cents, and on risk on lost 50 cents. We're not going to look at the individual trades because we want to look at the monthly as well. Holly 2.0 had 11 trades for a profit of 186. Her risk-on profit, 64 cents, and Holly Neo, just 4 trades for 44 cents profit, 31 cents was her risk-on profit. Now let's go ahead and bring in our spreadsheet here, and we'll see how this all worked out for the day. And there you have it. We had 18 trades for the day. 214 was the profit, 45 cents was the risk-on profit. And down here we have our totals for January and for February. So February's Holy Grail had 155 trades, $3.26 profit, $9.05 risk-on profit. Holly 2.0 was 139 trades, and the risk-on profit was $9.56. Risk off. Risk-on was $17.18 profit, and Holly Neo had 190 trades for $4.74 profit. $13.04 was the risk-on profit. Overall, 484 trades. Risk-off profit was $17.56. and her risk on profit was 39.27. So all in all, Holly had a good month. Not quite as good as what January was, but $39.27 per share. Even if you use the risk off one, 1756, isn't too bad. Thank you again for watching today, and now I'm going to take you to my blog. It's this bit.ly link right here, and if you click it, you're going to see it takes you to my blog, which is right here. And in here, as I am an affiliate with Trade Ideas, I've been trading now actually for only 3 years, and I got into trading, and as I saw what it could do, I just think that everybody should be doing some type of trading, whether it's investing, whether it's day trading, whether it's swing trading. There's just such an opportunity here, and I just want to share that and get more people involved. Of course, I believe in the Trade Ideas scanning software. It is tremendous to use. And we do offer several free things. The first thing is our trade of the week, okay? And, with the trade of the week, every Monday you will get that emailed to you. All you have to do is if you go into this blog, if you click this, it'll take you to the link. You put your email address in there, and you get a new trade idea every Monday in your inbox. It's intended as a swing trade. It's selected by professional long-time traders. You get entry, exit, and target prices, and we'll show you how we identified the trade of the week, why we believe it'll perform well based on the chart, the technical conditions that are in place for the stock at this time, and how you can find more trades like the trade of the week on your own. So sign up now. Another thing that we offer absolutely free is our trading room hosted by Barry Einerson, okay? And, if you just click this link right here, you can join. You do need to set up a username and a password, but it is totally free. Barry calls out his trades. He also goes over how some of the scans work and how you set them up and how you can adapt them to your way of trading. It is a very, very good room to be in, so give that a shot. Next thing we have that's totally free is this ebook that our guys put together, 5 Ways to Win in a Post-BTFD Market. And so, once again, if you just click here, you put in your email address, you download it, and, you can add trading the short side to your list of things you have in your arsenal. So it's good to do that. And then we have our free webinars, and you can watch our archives if you go to this link. We have a webinar every Monday through Friday, 5 p.m. Eastern, and we go over, a market analysis and, a lot of times how Holly did. Each day kind of has a different theme, so, but it's just more knowledge. It's more free stuff. You get ideas, and you learn. So, you need to be always learning. I don't care if you've been in this market for a day or for 50 years, there's always something else you can learn, a new trade, a setup, or what's working for other people. And lastly, if you see the many benefits and you like what you see, give us a try. We have our standard plan, our premium plan. You can try it by the month or by the year. And I even have here, if you use Bullseye 15, I can save you 15% off your first month or your first year. So I hope you take advantage of some of the free stuff, and maybe someday join us as a member of Trade Ideas as well. And hey, I want to thank you for watching, and God bless.